Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about how to fix an iPhone stuck on searching. So, you've inserted a SIM card. The iPhone quickly detects it, but it cannot use data or call due to no signals. Instead, your iPhone keeps searching for a network on the upper left corner. You're not alone in facing this problem, as it's quite common. Maybe the searching issue comes back after you fixed it in the past. Perhaps your iPhone is stuck on searching for service or signal for a long time, like 2 days or 2 weeks. It doesn't matter. Let's explore the potential causes together. Then, attempt a couple of methods to get your iPhone to stop searching and connect to the network provider again. Why is your iPhone stuck on searching for a network? When you see a searching message in the top left status bar, it means that your iPhone doesn't have a connection to a cellular network. Several things could be the cause of the device's inability to find network signals. There is an issue with the cell coverage or the mobile data plan account. The device's network settings are malfunctioning. The SIM card is damaged or aligned incorrectly. The operating system gets stuck due to unknown errors. The device's carrier settings or iOS is obsolete. There is something wrong with the phone carrier side. Now, let's walk through the tricks to attempt when an iPhone is stuck on searching for a network. They work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 26. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Try some basic troubleshooting steps. 1. Switch on the cellular data option. 2. Remove the phone case to get a better signal. 3. Move the iPhone to a spacious area with strong cellular network coverage. 4. Check if your mobile account is still active and has enough data allowance left. 5. Inspect if your iPhone is blocked from receiving cellular services due to unpaid bills. If the issue remains after checking, try the next method to fix an iPhone stuck on searching for a cell signal. Toggle airplane mode on then off. This is the quickest way to refresh the network signals on your device. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. In old iPhone models, it's triggered by swiping up from the bottom. Make sure you've enabled cellular data or Wi-Fi icon. Then, tap the flight icon to enable airplane mode, which should be highlighted in orange. Wait for a minute, then turn it off. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on. The iPhone will start searching first, and then show the cellular signal bar or Wi-Fi icon. Do a restart to stop the searching. Airplane mode doesn't change anything and iPhone still gets stuck on searching for service. Try to power cycle the device, which helps reset the network connection while keeping all your data and files safe. Here are the steps to follow. On an iPhone with Face ID, press and hold one of the volume keys and power key. On an iPhone with a home button, press and hold the power key. When the slide to power off message appears, let go of the keys and move it to the right. This will switch off your iPhone within seconds. Then, long press the power key. When the Apple logo comes up, let go of the key. The iPhone will boot up soon and reconnect the network from scratch. It should no longer keep looking for a network at the top left corner. Reinsert the SIM card. This makes sense to locate the signal towers again when iPhone won't connect to data stuck on searching. You'll need a SIM card ejector tool, which is usually included in your device's package box. Or, you can use a paper clip or toothpick. Once prepared, use the tool to get the SIM tray out of your iPhone and take out the SIM card. If it's dirty or damaged, your iPhone won't recognize it, so it's always searching for a network. If it's in good condition, put the SIM card back into the card slot firmly and make sure the SIM tray closes completely and isn't loose. Take a look at your iPhone and the network signal should appear immediately after searching. Reset all the network settings. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Next, use fingers to scroll all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. From the bottom, choose the Reset option. It will pop up a menu. From there, choose Reset Network Settings and confirm the action. It'll then take a few seconds to remove all personalized network configurations and restore them back to factory default settings. Once finished, you should find that the iPhone stops searching for a network. Update the carrier settings. It's possible that your phone carrier has released carrier settings updates recently. There might be a fix coming with the update to repair the issue when the phone is constantly searching for the cellular network. And the good news is that this can be done easily on your phone. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Navigate to the Settings app. Tap on General, then choose About. If a dialog box pops up saying Carrier Settings Update, Tap the update option to install the new settings. If your iPhone searches for a network and connects to the carrier successfully, then the issue is resolved. Download and install the latest iOS. Also, make sure your iPhone software is updated to the latest version. To update iOS, follow these steps. Open Settings. Tap General. Next, choose Software Update. If it prompts a new iOS is available to download and install, tap the button to proceed. After having the latest updates installed, check if the network searching issue is fixed. If yes, you should be able to get your iPhone to connect to the network provider properly. Back up the iPhone, then factory reset it. You can turn on iCloud Backup to sync the data and files to the cloud archiving. Or, connect the device to a PC or Mac to create a local backup there. Once done, here's how to fix iPhone searching signals constantly by doing a reset. Open Settings. Tap on General. In the next screen, scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Erase all content and settings. When asked, enter the lock screen passcode or Apple ID password to confirm and continue. After setting up your iPhone, the searching alert will disappear and the device will connect to the right network provider, showing it on the status bar. Seek assistance from experts. If the solutions listed above fail and your iPhone is still taking so long to search, reach out to the phone company first. Contact the service provider to check if there is any outage or the cell tower is down. Besides, the device's hardware might be broken when you get stuck in network searching on iPhone. To test it, visit a nearby authorized service center and they will provide specific guidance based on your device model and the iOS version. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix iPhones stuck on searching for service. Thank you for watching, and hope the device is getting the network signals again. If you did, please consider liking and buying this video a super thanks. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more tech-related content. Until next time.